Our goal here is to input this data. These are going to be our X and Y coordinates here, absorbance and concentration. And then we're going to fit a curve to that data. We can see it's a line, but we have to see that it's a line. And then interpolate using points to find the value of the concentration at these two absorbencies. So how do we do that? We open new GeoGebra file. We turn off the algebra view. We turn on the spreadsheet view. We're going to just go and get that data. So we copy this data here. We'll take out those two pieces and put it in here. We don't know these two, so we're going to delete them. And so the first thing we want to do is plot these points. So we take these two, mark them, hit right click, create, and over at the right, which you can't see, it says list of points. Click on that, and there's our 5 points. And so we need to graph that, so click here to get the graphing tools again. Put that down in the bottom there. We're going to immediately make it at least 1,000 to 1, right, so we can see the data. So now we're going to stretch this one using control and drag the x-axis. I'd put it over about there because we got to get those points in. And then we want to pull this up. We can always readjust it. Now the reason why we want to do this is we want to see that we have a line. So we want to fit a line to that data. Fit, and there's our line, and our points are A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E. And we hit enter. Okay, and now we want to put 2 points on that line. And now we want to put 2 points on the line to find these values. So we click on the new point tool. We make sure the line is glowing, and we put 1 point and then another point. Now we want to see values on these so that we can match them, and we really don't want to see those labels. So let's go to Edit Object Properties. We're interested in the points A to E, so using Control and Shift. We don't want to see those labels. And on F and G, we want to see values. We're going to change their color so they're a little bit brighter. So F we're going to make purple, and G we're going to make dark red. Okay, so let's move this down a little bit here because they're going to be very close. Get the move tool, right, and move up to 482 is the top one. 482, there it is. And the bottom one we need to move to 474. There it is. So what do we have for 482? We have 0.000194. And what do we have for 474? We have 0.000191. Hit enter. We are done.